I have a quick video for you. Motorola X50 Ultra available right now with a quick shipment to Europe without any additional cost. All the way from 677 euros to 797 euros. The differences are in the memory, ROM and RAM. Even if you choose the least expensive one, you can change the currency, of course, for US dollars, for pounds. They have all the currency, so you can change it. Let's stick with euros. And with the Ultra version, I had the Pro version on the channel, and the Pro version was, I don't know, mixed feelings, because it has very slow internal memory. The Ultra version is not it's completely a different memory. 4.0, that's the most powerful, the fastest memory in the world at the moment. So that's great, a huge improvement. But Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, it's not the regular Gen 3, but the S version, which is a like live version of that Snapdragon. It's still plenty quick, my English, very quick. I have the same processor in the Redmi, and everything works smooth. There's no glitching. You can record your games, and everything works like it's supposed to work. 6.7 inch, 144 Hz, 4,500 milliampere hours, 125 watt charging. That's very impressive. And 50 watt wireless charging. That's also very impressive. 50 watt, that's a lot. IP68 water and dust resistance, like this Bluetooth. You can pay in Bitcoin, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard, whatever. They have it all. And in details, what kind of camera I'm going to have in the Ultra version? 50 megapixel ultra wide one, 1.8. That's very bright. For the wide angle, that's very bright. And portrait 2.0, that's okay, with 2x optical zoom in the portrait. An ultra wide angle sensor with 112 degree shooting angle, 2.2. Okay, so 1.8, that's the main lens, basically. It's wide, but it's a main lens. So, there you go. Link in the description for you. My dear amigo, and you can choose between 12 gigabytes of RAM all the way to 16. They also have many discounts on the Vivo. That's the latest Vivo. I already bought the X100, which is coming soon. And yeah, many more. At the moment, I'm filming with Vivo X Fold 3, which is also a fantastic smartphone. So there you go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Link in the description, and additional discount code for you also in the description. Use that discount to have basically a free shipping. See you next video. Bye.